Hey there, welcome back to eFishing. I'm Rodney, and today we're back out in the garage again. And after the last video we had down there at Dale Hollow, I had a few comments about my scale setup. So I thought today I'd just talk a little bit about my scale and how I've got it set up, and maybe it might help you all out. But so here real quick, I'm just using this Rapala, and it's a 15-pound scale here, and I've attached a fish gripper to it. And I think that's what got people asking questions was if I bought all this together or if I put it together. Well, I bought these independently of each other. So I had the scale, and then for a couple years, and it's okay, it's not bad. It's probably, plus or minus an ounce or two, so it's pretty close. But I added the fish gripper to it. So let's talk about how I did that, and then we'll talk a little bit about the scale too. Alright, so here's the scale. Again, it's just a Rapala 15-pound scale, and here's the fish gripper. It's just your standard fish gripper. You open it, close it, you put the lip of the fish in here to work it. But what I did to connect all this thing up was this little ring here, and it's like a big split ring, came on the scale, and all I did was this little piece right here on the scale. I just got this in there and just put it on there like you would a normal, like any other split ring like that, and it works. So when you turn this thing on, it zeroes out. Well, if you're looking at your scale with this gripper on it, and it's got a little bit of, if it's got some weight or something on it, it's got a tare function right here. So if y'all can see that right there, and you just push that button, it'll all blink and it'll zero everything out for you. So there was a couple questions about that, on how to do that, and it's a pretty nice little scale. It's got a memory function on it. If you push this button here, it'll go into this, it'll tell you, and it's got like 10 spots that you can store memory on it. So you could, if you're fishing a tournament or whatever, you can weigh your fish and number your cull tags, and you can know what your weight is, and if you need to call one out, you can do it pretty quick. But the way this thing works is, well, I've got this dive weight here, so we'll have a little bit of weight on there to show you how it works. Is you can put your weight on, and you can see that the weight's reading 7 pounds 15 ounces. Well, you want it 8 pounds now, so just settled out. You want to go into the memory mode, and you'll see that there's zeros on there, but you can also see that one's there. So this weight will be assigned to position number 1, and to assign that weight, you just push and hold the memory button until it flashes, and we've got our weight in there. And then later, if you want to see your weight again, you just push your memory button again, and when you do, it goes to the next one for convenience, so that you can add another fish weight in there. But you can just cycle back to that position 1, and you can see it recorded 8 pounds in there for us. So and then to clear it out, you just hold the memory button down again, it'll flash, and it'll zero, and then you can zero it back out, and you're ready to do another fish. So it's kind of wrap it up, it's just a 15-pound scale from Rapala right there. It's probably not the best scale out there, but it does its job. It's probably an ounce or two off of true weights that I've noticed. But if you're weighing all your fish on the same scale, they all should theoretically be about the same amount off or whatnot. But anyways, that's my scale setup. If anybody else has got any more questions about it or whatnot, leave them down there in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. We're around 75 subscribers right now, so we need to move on up to 100. That's the goal right now, is to go to 100 and get things going for this channel. Anyways, I'm Rodney with eFishing. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you out on the water next time. We're out.